Oh boy, we got a 49 Chevy 3100 Deluxe pick-em-up truck here. Been body off frame restored about 2,200 miles ago. All sorts of upgrades, heights independent suspension, a Corvette fuel injected LT1 motor, air conditioned, leather power seats. The list is going to go on and on. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find a price tag on over 200 collector cars that we have for sale. And each one has a monthly payment attached to it as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is a beautiful truck. The body work is excellent. It has a lot of upgrades. They're subtle. I'll point them out. Some you might notice right off the bat, some you don't. Like first of all, the hood. There would be a seam right down the middle of the hood with a piece of trim covering it. They filled it in, so it's all big, smooth, one-piece hood. All the body work is really nice. The whole truck's metal. The fenders, the tailgate, the running boards, everything. All this is in really nice shape. No door handles. It's a remote door poppers. That's how you open the truck. No emblems, no trim. It's just a smooth look. Frenched power antenna right here in the corner of the cab. All the fenders are clean. I think the whole box is actually new, and it is all metal. Custom tailgate. They removed the rear bumper. It has this custom roll pan with recessed license plate. All metal, all nice and clean, straight metal. This side opens up with the remote as well. Shuts nicely. Painted like a Cortez silver, and it's got some depth to it, and it's got a little, I don't want to call it pearl, but it's got a hint of other colors in it. Very mild, but very nice deep metal flake. The metal flake is laid out evenly. Sometimes silver can get all blotchy and clumped together, but this is laid out real nice and has a very smooth, glossy, clear coat finish. Another detail is the Frenched headlights up front here. And the cowl vent, normally you push a lever and it opens, it's power. I'll demonstrate that in a little while. The chrome grille, bumper, all that is shiny and sparkly. The paint job is very nice overall. Just some really faint, a couple big long, just a few cracks. I mean, they look like a hair laying there. It's the first time I even seen them, so really not a big concern. Some light scratches right here, a few light scratches. So you will find a few minor imperfections in the paint, but it shows beautifully. All shiny and smooth, silver. There's a lot of depth to it. The weltings between the fenders, it's silver. It matches the truck. The Deluxe is a 5-window. It has these corner windows. The Standard only has the center window, and this would be metal. So it has a third mount brake light. In addition to the recessed custom tail lights, these are LEDs, so they're small, but they're bright. All the glass was replaced. It's smoked glass, not a stick-on tin. It's smoked glass with the new rubber gaskets, custom mirrors. The vent window's gone. It's all one-piece glass. They just cleaned it up, made it nice. And again, all the emblems, handles, all gone. Sitting low on a nice set of 15-inch chrome-plated American Racing torque thrust wheels, hand-cooked tires, all in really nice shape. There's a blemish down here in the paint, like a scuff right there. But it is beautiful. Why don't we open it up? Looks really sharp inside too, and under that hood. So it has some custom latches on the tailgate here with the nylon strap. And yeah, I'm sure this is a new box. All the metal's clean and straight. And look at the Chevy bow tie up front. It's kind of embossed into that front panel. On the floor, we've got refinished wood planks. Metal strips are painted like the truck. There's some nice chrome hardware. One of these you open, and that's access to the relocated fuel tank. They used to be behind the back seat. The other one's probably access maybe to the air ride or something like that. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've just got a whole batch of some great cars. You click that bell icon, you'll be notified as they're being posted. Door jambs painted nice. Weather strips are real nice. They look like bear claw door latches with stainless hardware. The whole inside is custom upholstered. Those are custom made door panels done really tastefully. Has a little bit of billet trim. The dash of the truck is painted the color of the car. A nice looking set of gauges. It has 2,890 miles on it since it's been done. Electric wipers. Retro stereo fits right in the factory hole. Paint is a little chipped up right on the top edge of that. There's speakers behind the seat, and there's auxiliary plugs in the glove box to plug in your phones and that. This chrome looks like it's replaced. There's LED interior lights, custom kick panels, carpet. They even made floor mats over the carpet. The AC controls, very neatly installed right under the dash. Nice center console. These are buttons for the doors, button for the cowl vent that opens, power windows, cup holders. I'm a fan of cup holders. Center console, got some storage. Now both seats are leather, reclining, power seats. Trucks are not known for having a lot of room, but this one's pretty comfortable. Now the leather's in great shape. There's some creases in the leather. It's not cracked or split, not even close, but there are some creases that you get. So it's all upholstered behind here. There's a couple speakers. There's an access panel to the electronics. The whole truck's been completely rewired. Has retractable shoulder belts. Then look at the nice custom headliner. It's done real well. Visors match. New mirror. Has a brand new steering wheel. Actually, we picked that out. We put that on there. The other wheel was ugly. It's on a tilt column. Even down low, it's all finished off. Now we'll tell you more about the air ride in a minute, but you can adjust the height of the rear air ride system right there. I don't want to get out of the seat. It's nice and comfy. You can subscribe the word new to 844-592-2431. And you'll be texted when new arrivals are put on our website. So look how clean and uncluttered the engine bay is. The firewall, the inner fenders, all smooth, nice clean metal. At the heart of it, we have a LT1 fuel-injected motor. That's a 350, making 330 horsepower. It's dressed up with some nice valve covers and intake cover. Set of headers. Look how neatly the plug wires are run. You got nice dipsticks for the trans and the engine. Look how the heat and AC lines are all run neatly. The front of the motor has the modern alternator and power steering, serpentine belt system. It has a Howe aluminum radiator with electric fan and an overflow bottle. Nice cold air intake. Some braided stainless hoses here. So just a very clean, tidy, uncluttered motor compartment. Now Michael's going to take you out for a drive.
Got a nice, beautiful sunny day here, and yeah, we got an even more beautiful 1949 Chevy 3100 Resto Mod. This does have the LT1 engine in it, and yeah, super reliable, turnkey, just ready to cruise. It does have an air ride suspension on it, could be adjusted. And some other modern amenities like the modern air conditioning there, radio. Nice, that's actually a digital radio.
Today's celebrant is
I think the antenna's down right now, but. And let's see. What else we got here? Wait just a second for this truck and we'll take off. See what she's got. Open her up a little bit. All right. Off the speed's no problem there. Really fun truck. This thing's got the look, reliable motor, super comfortable seats. It's lots of fun. Check out the horn. I forgot to mention that radio does have a plug-in for your devices there. Looks like inside the glove box. All right, this thing is awesome all the way around.
All right, so underneath this truck is really nice too. It was body off the frame restored and everything looks very fresh still. Every piece of it looks like it was replaced or rebuilt or restored. The frame has all been stripped and painted black. And the front clip is a Heights independent suspension. That includes coilover shocks and drop spindles. It's just all redone. Upper tubular control arms, rack and pinion steering. It's a nice setup. The rear suspension has been completely rebuilt. All the upper and lower control arm bushings, shocks were replaced, upgraded with a sway bar, and in place of the springs has that air ride. So there's an onboard compressor. There's airbags that you can adjust the height and the ride. Nice dual exhaust system, very neatly installed. Glass pack style mufflers, goes all the way out the back. Completely upgraded brake system. There's a power booster underneath there, so it's power brakes, and there's disc at all four wheels. Has a custom emergency brake system. The custom stainless fuel tanks mounted up under the back of the truck. You look up at the motor, it's real nice and clean. Has a high torque starter. It's a 700 R4 overdrive automatic trans, which is nice for cruising on the highway. Custom drive shaft, goes back to a 10-bolt rear end. And again, everything is clean and painted. As promised, I'll show you the power cowl vent that opens and closes. Go to the website, volocars.com. That's where you can get in touch with the salesman. They'll help answer questions. How do you get this truck delivered? How do you get it financed? Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Text to our text number to get notified of the new arrivals. And yeah, watch the cowl vent right here. There you go. Not a big deal, but it's a cool, neat little gimmick. This truck has a lot to offer. Go to volocars.com before someone beats you to it. Thanks for watching.